I've literally been sitting here for about half an hour watching this movie, but I have tidied most of my room. I'm now going to go on to making a vision board, a manifesting board, because I will show you the one that I've done before. I've pretty much ticked off all of it, kind of slowly. I've got like 2 things on it, but I think one of them I don't want it to come true anymore. So we're gonna recreate a manifesting board in this vlog, and yeah, this is kind of also a night before me working again, because I was meant to be off tomorrow, but because it's like new job and like job I'm in, it's everything's new, so they need more help. And I'm in tomorrow, and then I'm off again, and then I'm in for the rest of the week. So it's kind of like a night of like before work, because I work at 9 o'clock tomorrow. My hours can vary. But yeah, let's make this manifesting board for the rest of the year. First of all, yes, I am wearing a jumper. I get cold quite easily, and I'm starting to get cold. But this is my YouTube channel jumper. I was gonna say go subscribe, but you're already on this channel. But if you're not already, go subscribe. Subscribe button's down below somewhere here. But this was my manifesting board before. Now I'm just gonna cut out this bit here and stick it on here, because that's the only one I really want. So the ones I've done, the reason why I'm doing it is because I've done most of them, and I can't believe I can say that, because it's like manifesting is meant to be like, well, to me it's like a couple of months or a couple of years. Like, it doesn't happen overnight. It has been a couple of months, but like I've always had like slow growth, and I'm not saying like bad things, like I don't normally get positive things that happen, I do, but the things I wrote down are quite big things, like hitting 10k on TikTok. I'm now at 11.4k. That's insane. And then hitting 1,000 subscribers. Didn't hit it in March, but I hit it in June, I think it was, or May. I think I hit it way before my birthday. Get a new job. Got a new job. And I will earn 500 a month. Pretty sure that will be happening. Most jobs are over 500, or at least 500. And the other one is making an Etsy shop, but I don't really want to do that now. It was for these coasters. I need to start using them, because I have made quite a lot, and nobody wants them unless you guys want them. Nobody wants my rainbow coasters that I've made. And then make merch. That is definitely a long-term goal than a short-term goal, but I'm going to put it on my manifesting board again either way. I'm just going to cut that one out. And then I've got double-sided sticky tape, and we're going to get to it. So I've just printed all of these off. Obviously I'm cutting this one off as well, but I also want to, I might print another one, a couple of others. I want to check Pinterest, but these ones are the ones I've cut out so far. So, not saying anything. These are my manifesting things. I have went a bit wild. Like, I'm not expecting this to happen near the end of the year. Possibility of TikTok if I start posting more. But like in a year's time, this is what because I thought that was going to be in a year's time. But no, I've completed that, and that. Well, hopefully that. Like, literally, it's crazy. So I'm doing a new one. So guys, that was my day yesterday. Now it's Monday. I finished work about 2 hours ago. It was a hectic one, but before I get into that, I just want to say sorry there's not been that many uploads this past week. I'm getting in the routine of being able to do work, obviously my main priority, and then still doing social media, and then aside that, family time and like me time and stuff like that. But obviously the main priority between them all is just like rest, and like I would probably say this has been the back burner of like the last thing that I've been doing, just because the time I get back from work, not like I get back late, but like the time I get back, I'm tired, and like I've not been wanting to film a video or vlog, but I want to, well, one, end this vlog so I can get it up tomorrow, because I've not done a vlog for quite a while, but two, I want to talk about today, because I've not really mentioned, it's been about a week since I've started my work now, and this job is like, I would say more retail than your like clothes retail. Like, I'm in a food retail, that's all I'm saying. I'm in food retail, so I deal with literally everything: lottery tickets, cigarettes, people who want to pay for their electricity. Like, I literally deal with everything. And if you did not know, I've got a learning disability, so the only way I can explain it, if you don't know what, because there's so many different types of learning disability, but mine is just called learning disability, but the way it affects me is my processing and like taking in information, and sometimes when I take in too much information or too much at once or in one day or whatever the situation is, it can be a bit overwhelming, and the only way I can explain it is my brain hurts. Like, it's literally like your brain hurts. It's not like a headache, it's just like you've got too much information in your head, and then by that point I get too overwhelmed, and most people would say like meltdowns and that, but like I just like to say like overwhelmed. Obviously I'm professional and I don't do it in the shop, but there is, when I got in the car and that, I had like a little overwhelming moment of just like, I don't know what to do. But also I'm an overthinker, so on top of my learning disability, that did not help me out. But it's just knowing that I take longer to process things, I take longer to learn things, so it's going to take me longer than an average able-bodied person to take in the information. Because the last retail job I worked at was a charity shop, and it was mostly clothes or decor, like ornaments. So there was no like legal side of it, or like serious in a way side, and there was not as much information as you need to take in for this type of job. So just to let you know, if you've got a learning disability and you are wanting to go in retail, some retails you might not be able to do, some you might, because I'm not saying I can't do this job, it's just a lot harder than my charity shop job, and it just takes a lot more in me. But I think I just need a couple of weeks of getting to know things and learning things, really. Like, it's not just gonna come overnight to me. So that's what I wanted to just talk about, and I'm also gonna do a TikTok about it. So I talk about more this situation and things like this over on my TikTok, so if you want to go follow it, there it is there, and I'll link it down below as well. I talk about my learning disability, a bit about my heart condition, and mainly my cerebral palsy, because since before today, my cerebral palsy was the main disability that affected me. So I'm so comfortable talking about the cerebral palsy, talking about what it is and details like that. But I know I shouldn't be. No, I should be like talking about my cerebral palsy, but I know I shouldn't feel like this way. But with my other disabilities, it's kind of like I don't feel comfortable talking about them in a way. And I know I should, because I talk about it online. Like, I talk about it online, the biggest platforms ever. But weirdly in public, it's kind of like, I don't know. But me and my family have come to the conclusion, or like agreed, like obviously at the end of the day it's on me, but we've all agreed that I might actually start wearing the sunflower lanyard with the hidden disability, but mine would be saying cerebral palsy, and at the back it just says something on the lines of I might need more time, blah 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 blah. Just because in retail I didn't realise how much like I take longer or slower. I'm a bit slower. I don't like the term slower, but I'm a bit slower with doing things depending on what I'm doing and processing the information. So I might need to ask you some things, couple like cigarettes. I need to ask some customers more than once. What have you done? Not what have you done? More than once. This is what I mean. It's too much for my brain. More than once of what type of cigarettes they want. So I'm gonna end this vlog here because, as you can tell, my brain is literally like scrambled eggs right now. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it. This bit has made it longer, but hopefully I can edit it tomorrow to go up at 5 p.m. I might do another vlog tomorrow just so I can do the content and keep pushing out the content when I can. I will be doing work related videos soon. It's just getting into the routine, and if you want like a video on like after a couple of weeks, because obviously this is my first week, exactly today this is the first week, and like I haven't got the full experience, I'm just getting the first week experience. So after I've done it for a couple of weeks, I could do a video on like experience of working in retail with a disability. If you want that video, let me know. But I will see you sometime soon. Bye.